Hey beautiful, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today's I have an excited tutorial for you, a beautiful Latina makeup look that is bold, glamorous and perfect for any special occasion. If you love vibrant, dramatic eyes, glowing skin and age statement lips, this is definitely the tutorial for you. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the tutorial. Alright, so before we start with the makeup, the first thing I always do is prep my skin. I am using a hydrating moisturizer today to make sure my skin is well moisturized and smooth for the makeup application. Next I am going to apply a primer. Primer helps to fill in any pores and smooth out your skin texture, ensuring that your makeup goes on beautiful and stay in place all day long. Let's get into the base. I am using a full coverage foundation that matches my skin perfectly. Latina makeup usually focus on glowing flawless skin, so a good foundation is key. I am applying it over my face and blending it well with a beauty blender. Make sure to blend your foundation into your neck as well so there's no line. You want everything to look seamless. Now I am going to use a concealer to brighten up the under eye area and cover up any blemishes. Latina makeup tends to focus on a bright, fresh complexion, so concealing is really important to lift your face and give it that radiant look. Blend it very well, especially around the eyes and the center of the forehead to highlight your face. To make sure everything stays in place all day, I am going to set my face with some translucent setting powder. I love using this one because it does not leave any flashback or a white cast. Next, let's warm up the face. I am using a matte bronzer to contour my cheeks, forehead and jawline. Latina makeup is all about shaping the face to enhance your natural features. Now I am using a peachy blush to the apple of my cheeks for a natural flush of color. This will give me that youthful radiant glow. Next we are moving on to brows. For my brows, I like to use a pencil in a shade that matches my natural brow color. If you are unsure what color to choose, go with a pencil that's just one shade lighter than your natural brows. Fill in brows with light stroke. Now I fill in any sparse area with using eyebrow gel. And remember, less is more, so keep it natural. Alright, now let's move on to the eyes, which are a hug part of Latina makeup look. I am applying a thin layer of eye primer over my eyelids and blend the primer evenly from lash line to brow bone and allow it to set for a minute before applying eyeshadow. This will help create a smooth base and ensure your eyeshadow lasts longer. So I am taking a warm brown eyeshadow and applying it to my crease and all my eyelid area. This will add dimension and depth to the eyes. Now I am going in with a liquid eyeliner to create a bold, dramatic wing. Latina makeup often features bold liner, which adds so much defining to the eyes. Now to finish off the eyes, I am applying a couple of coats of mascara for volume and length my lashes. Now I am going to apply false lashes to make my eyes even more dramatic. Now time to glow. I am using a gorgeous golden highlighter on the high points of my face, on the top of my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on the cupid bow. This highlighter gives the face such a beautiful lit from within glow that's a signature part of Latina makeup look. Now for the lips, I am starting with a lip liner to define the shape of my lips and prevent any feathering. This is especially important for a bold lips. For this Latina makeup look, I am going with a classic nude lipstick. So firstly, I am applying a matte peachy pink lipstick to fill my lips. Because I have no nude lipstick, that's why I am applying a bit of concealer on my lips and blend it well with my fingertips for gives nude look. And if you want a more voluminous glossy lip, you can add a little bit of lip gloss over the lipstick. So guys, this is my final ultimate Latina makeup look. Bold eyes, glowing skin and a statement lips. It's perfect for any special occasion or just when you want to feel extra fabulous. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tutorials just like this one. Let me know in the comments if there's another look you want me to try next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next video. Bye bye.